So guys, welcome to my channel and how to Windows update new KB series not downloading. So any KB series, any new Windows update is not downloading, so no worry. So first method, click to start, go to setting, system, scroll down. You can see here the troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and Windows update to run this. This is first method, wait few seconds, okay? After that second method. Ensure Windows services are running or not, so type service in the Windows search box. Okay, just right click to new, run as administrator, and located press background intelligent service transfer, this one. Okay, so just guys double click, select automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then okay, and then close it. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, reset Windows update component. So in the CMD, so click to start, type CMD, then right click, then run as administrator, then click to yes. So I will give you link in descriptions all command. Okay, this command first, this one. Okay, you can run this command Windows 10 also. Okay, then type first, then hit enter, that net stop, and like that hit. Stopping Windows service is Windows update service is stopping. Then next, so if any command is not accept, so you don't worry, try to different next one, some Windows version, and okay, then yes. Yes, type Y, yes for Y for yes and for no, then hit enter. This one, then same start. This is stop and this is start. Then this one, last. Okay, so this command I will give you in the descriptions. This is for reset update component. Then guys, next open any browsers to type Google search box to catalog, Microsoft catalog. Okay, you can see here this is URL. Okay, then type KB5055528, then click to search. So 4848, you can see 32H2, 22H2, 23H2, which is you are using, just click to download. After click to this link, it takes few seconds to install automatically. When you click to link, After that, you can see here automatically start downloading. Okay, wait few seconds, it will show you how to install it. After done, it's just single click. Now you can see prepare to installing. Okay, searching update on this and then click to yes. Do you want to install the following software and update like that? Then click to yes. Okay, after some time it will install it. Wait few seconds. After that, restart your system when it is completed.